Now student, we are going to trace and write letter H, capital and small, in iMaths book. Okay. Now open the book, page number 19. Letters capital H and small h. This is capital H and this is small h. Say her has in horse, hop with the hoop, her, hop with the hoop, her. So this is H, her hand, H, her horse, H, her house. This is capital H, this is small h, and H, her hen. Okay. Now we are going to trace first capital H. Start from top, from pink line, come down, and stop. Second number blue line, trace standing line, then slipping line in first blue line, and again trace standing line from top to bottom. Okay, so this is capital H, capital H. You have to draw only 3 lines, means 2 standing line and 1 slipping line. Okay, so this is capital H. Now without tracing we have to write down here from pink line to blue line, first slipping line, again standing line. So this is capital H, standing line, slipping line, standing line, capital H. Sound of H is her. Sound of H is her. You have to write down in 3 line. Okay, standing line, slipping line, standing line. So this is capital H. Now we are going to trace small h. Start from top, stop on second number blue line. Okay, then again make like this. You have to trace. So this is small h. Okay. Now again standing line from top to bottom, means second number blue line you have to stop and trace up curve. So this is small h. Now without tracing, standing line, up curve in between blue line. This is small h. Standing line, up curve in between blue line. This is small h. The sound of h is her. The sound of h is her. H, horse, H, house, H, hen, H, her hand, H, her hand. So now this is the picture of horse. Okay, now we have to write down first letter. So this is horse, H, her horse. Now we have to write down capital H, standing line, slipping line, standing line. This is capital H. What is the spelling of horse? H-O-R-S-E, horse. Okay. Now this is the picture of house. Okay. Now we have to write down small letter, standing line and up curve. This is small h, H-O-U-S-E, house. Okay. Now we are going to write in practicing letter book. Okay. Now open the book. Okay, in previous video we wrote and learned capital and small g. Now we are going to write capital H and small h. So page number 19, 19. Okay. Now this is the picture of horse. Horse. HORSE, horse. Now we have to trace the letter H, capital letter H. Standing line. Okay. Then sleeping line. Again standing line. So this is capital H, capital H. Like this you have to trace capital H. You have to trace in 3 line. Okay. Capital H, capital H. The sound of H is her. The sound of H is her. Like this you have to trace capital H. Okay. Now without trace we have to write down. Okay. You have to start from top to bottom in 3 line. Okay. This is standing line, and first blue line you have to draw a sleeping line and again standing line. Okay. So this is capital H, capital H. H her horse, H her house, H her home, H her hand, H her hat, H her hammer, H her hot. Like this you have to write down capital H. Very easy to write down capital H. How you will write? You have to start from pink line, come second number blue line, stop. Okay. On first blue line you have to draw sleeping line, and on pink line you have to start from top and stop on blue second number. So this is capital H, capital H. You have to draw standing line in 3 line. Okay. And sleeping line you have to draw first blue line. So this is capital H, capital H. Like this you have to write down capital H. Okay student. Standing line, sleeping line, standing line, capital H. Standing line, sleeping line, standing line, capital H. The sound of H is her. The sound of H is her. Like this you have to write down capital H. Okay. You have to write down top to bottom in 3 line. Then first on blue line you have to draw sleeping line and standing line again. So this is capital H, capital H. Okay. H a house, H a hammer, H a hot, H a home, H a hen, H a hat. Like this you have to write down capital H. Okay student. Now we are going to write again small h here, page number 45. Okay. And 1818 page number, 1919 page number. This is capital H and small h on page number 45. Okay. Now we are going to write down small h. First we will trace. The picture of small h is hat. This is the hat. H-A-T, hat. Okay. Now first we will trace the letter small h. Standing line and up curve. So this is small h. Standing line, up curve. Small h. Standing line, up curve. Small h. The sound of h is her. The sound of h is her. Okay. Like this you have to write down capital and small h. Now without trace we have to write down small h. Okay. First you have to write down standing line. Then in between blue line you have to draw up curve. This is small h. Standing line, up curve. Small h. Standing line, up curve. Small h. Standing line, up curve. This is small h. Okay student, like this you have to write down small h. H her hat. H her hammer. H her house. H her home. H her human. Like this is small h. First you have to draw in 3 lines standing line. Okay, in between blue line you have to draw up curve. So this is small h. Which letter? Small h. Like this you have to write down small h. Small h. Small h. Small h. Small h. Okay. Small h. Small h. Like this you have to trace and write letter h. Okay. This is small h and page number 19. This is capital H.